This is a client project where we will upgrade the plan and the layout. So these are the images how it looks before. Now we will remove all the items which can't be reused again, so we can keep the toilet. We will update the floor finish to a herringbone pattern and remove the toilet from the window. So I created these walls which will frame the areas, and we will have a vanity, toilet and shower area. So we will begin with the vanity, and it's always best to have it close to the door, as you can open the door to a mirror, and most of the decorations is always placed on top of the bench top. We will use an oval shaped basin and wall fixed basin mixer. For the shower we will use a glass screen, so this way you can get light into the shower as well. Wall fixed shower head, of course you can go for a ceiling fixed one. Then we will place the toilet into this niche and the towel rail on the opposite side of the shower head. I will add a towel holder as well fixed to the wall, and at last add the decoration and the accessories. So this is the final result, and the areas are very generous, and this is how it looks in 3D. Follow and like if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to comment your ideas.